my people are more beautiful in the film. Especially because you're going to be a warrior. So now, one thing you must not do, this thing that I just did is not good. Don't pass. Reflex. So if I'm asking, kick, it's a reflex. So it's always good to go from the front? Yeah, so from the side. And it's always good to bond with your horse. No, it's a calm horse. Okay, now come. Let me show you basics.
So you hold this after
go yourself.
Tomorrow down.
Why? Make you wear a bata now. Yes. What about that?
That's so nice. Like you tell me what?
Can you change it? No. Can you to go? Ajamda. Thank you. So, the first thing we teach you is to climb on your own. It's always very beautiful when you can climb. Even sometimes, you know, I'm not creating most on it. To climb. So it's even better anyhow to get on your horse. Yeah. So, break here, everything. This is the rope. So, for instance, now let me show something. I want to hold you like this. Because the horse is standing, if you try now to pull, you see, guess what? But yeah, go. You get consultation. You better tomorrow. Just for it. See, you be. Yeah. You kick.
Okay,
more,
like that.
More.
No, this is like
a little bit more. Okay. One thing again, just be sure that you are centered. We pay our leg by. This is the break. Just for you. So, to have a move, what day? To have a do, but to have a break. We are trying to move. You kick this. Show the picture of Mansari. Let me show you. If you man vibrate. If you are good, massive. If only I know efficiency, what belong jugular vein. What affects you?
Like, do you just hit it like this?
Yeah, kick it. Tap a little. Kick. No, what's that? What's the breaker? Release of more than on what release.
Like this.
Yeah, kick it. Tap a little. Oh. No, wait. Whatever you're doing, don't look at the horse.
Look straight.
Like when you're driving a car, where do you look?
Straight.
Ojo no ni ko ma wo. So if anyone to ba mu okudani báyìí. To ba mu okudani méjì báyìí. Tí ibi bá pọ̀ ju ile lọ, ẹṣin ẹ ma fi. Wa de lomi to ma ngbe ẹṣin supposed to look this way, ẹṣin ma ṣe báyìí. Ó ma wẹ̀gbẹ́, okun ẹ ló wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ló fà. Oya kick. Tap it. Ibi tó fẹ́ kó lọ nìyẹn. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, so lovely.
It will be good if you don't hold. Check out the power aggressive body.
Don't hold.
Yeah. Don't match the freedom. Yeah, but focus back, come up here. Should be left-handed here. Left hand go for your hand. Yeah. So that's the area back. Yeah, follow. Baba Lawrence, IYABO.
I feel lonely. So how do I turn if I want to turn?
Yes.
Egba say, Sigawa B.
We want the IYABO to link it. We want him to move faster. Plug into
They don't have control, like move again on your own.
You done it.
All right.
So you are coming to ride for real, for real?
For real.
No, wait. Don't get down.
Okay.
Before you get down,
I take
if you're not to be able to jump, you take the leg off.
Okay, I'm off.
You're off.
Then I can.
Good girl.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Coming to ride you, baby. Thank you. I love you.